Life has evolved at a rapid pace, hasn't it? Technology has made our lives so much easier. Television, mobile phones, social media. Literally, it's all over. But there's one piece of technology that's my favorite, the vacuum cleaner. Thanks to the Black+Decker BSV2020G, RF enjoys his playtime while I have zero worries about the dust and dirt that would otherwise be scattered around. This is the cordless vacuum. It's super mobile and convenient. It is multi-angular and reaches the toughest spots with ease. And with its floorhead LED, I can find the smallest debris. Cleaning small food particles and dust from floors and carpets has never been easier. So guys, I honestly recommend buying the Black+Decker BSV2020G vacuum cleaner. Make cleanliness a habit you can't go a day without.